How to eat flax seeds for flattened tummy. And weight loss. Are you eating flax seeds in the exact way that makes your stomach bigger instead of flatter? Most people who try flax seeds for weight loss end up bloated, confused, and wondering why nothing is changing. And honestly, it usually comes down to one simple mistake people make every day without even realizing it. Before you add another spoon of flax seeds to your meal, hear this. The way you eat them can either flatten your tummy or quietly sabotage your results. Let's make this simple. Maybe you've been sprinkling flax seeds on salads. Maybe you've been adding them to smoothies every morning. Or maybe you bought a whole bag because someone told you they help with weight loss. Yet your stomach is still bloated, your digestion feels slow, and the scale isn't moving. If that sounds familiar, there's a reason. Flax seeds only work when you eat them in one specific form, and at one specific time. And after this video, you'll never make that mistake again. Step 1. Never eat flax seeds whole. Whole flax seeds look healthy, but they mostly pass through your body undigested. Your stomach can't break them open. Your intestines can't absorb the nutrients. You end up flushing them out almost exactly the way they entered. So if you're eating whole flax seeds right now, you're getting zero benefits. Don't worry. The solution is simple. Step 2. The only form that actually works. You need ground flax seeds. This is non-negotiable. Ground flax seeds give your body access to belly fat burning omega-3s, gut cleansing soluble fiber, hormone balancing lignans, appetite controlling nutrients that keep you full. Here's the kicker. Pre-ground flax seeds lose nutrients fast. Within days, they oxidize and become almost useless. The secret? Buy whole seeds. Grind them fresh. Eat immediately. 1 tablespoon a day is enough to start seeing results. Step 3. The best time to eat. Flax seeds. Timing is everything. The ideal time is 30 minutes before your first meal. Why? Flax seeds slow sugar absorption, prevent bloating, reduce cravings, and naturally make you eat less. Your digestion becomes smoother, your blood sugar stays stable, and your stomach stays flatter all day. This only works if you combine it with the right liquid. Step 4. What you must mix flax seeds with. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds to a glass of warm water or a glass of lemon water. Warm water activates the soluble fiber, which forms a gentle gel in your stomach. This gel cleans your gut, reduces bloating, keeps you full, pulls out trapped waste, speeds up fat loss. Skip the warm water, and most of these benefits disappear. But don't skip this next part, because all your hard work could be wasted if you miss it. Step 5. The daily belly flattening routine. Here's the exact routine. 1. Grind 1 tablespoon of flax seeds fresh 2. Add to warm or lemon water 3. Drink 30 minutes before breakfast 4. Repeat daily for 14 days. Do this consistently and you'll notice flatter tummy, less bloating, smoother digestion, fewer cravings, easier weight loss, and more morning energy. Most people ruin all their hard work here, and it's so simple to avoid. Step 6. The final mistake that ruins results. Never add flax seeds to heavy, oily, or fried meals. The fiber binds to oil, slows digestion, and causes bloating. Instead, add flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, soups, salads. Light foods equals maximum results. Remember, a flat tummy doesn't start in the gym. It starts in your gut. Do this every day and watch your belly shrink, your mornings feel lighter, and your energy skyrocket. All without crazy diets or workouts. If you want even faster results, watch my video on the world's easiest breakfast diet for visceral fat reduction. In 7 days, it works perfectly with this flaxseed method.